today's class. Today we are going to talk about energy. We are going to focus on the sources and then the uses of energy. First of all, let us define what energy is. Energy has been largely defined to mean the ability to do work. So basically, energy is the ability to do work. So energy is the ability to do work. So when we say energy is the ability to do it, what do we mean by this? For instance, if I want to carry a bag of rice, I would have to use energy. Carrying a bag of rice from ground level to this level, I would have to use energy. If I want to eat, I'll have to use energy. If I want to run, I'll have to use energy. So let us look at where we get our energy from. So our sources of energy. One major source of energy is the sun. The sun is a major source of energy. So first of all, we get energy from the sun. We get energy from the sun. We also get energy from the food that we eat. We get energy from the food that we eat. And then the water we drink. We get energy from the food that we eat, the water that we drink. Our body sometimes also generates its own energy. So we also get energy from our body. We also get energy from our body. We get energy from chemical sources. We get energy from chemical sources. An example is a battery. We get energy from chemical sources. An example of the chemical source is a battery. Okay, so these are some of the sources of energy. These are some of the ways that we can derive energy. There are other sources of energy, but let's take this one for the time being. Okay, now we have gotten our sources of energy. So what do we use this energy for? What do we use the energy for? Okay, so we're going to put down a few things that we use energy for. Okay. So we mentioned that we get energy from the sun. So the energy from the sun, what do we use it for? So we can use the energy from the sun to dry our clothes. To dry clothes. Okay. It can also give us light. It also gives us light. Okay. The energy from the sun also gives us light. What about the food we eat? What the energy that we get in the food, what do we use it for? That one gives us, it helps us to grow. Okay, so another uses of energy is that it helps us to power electrical appliances. Power electrical appliances. helps us to power electrical appliances like our irons, our blenders, our microwaves. They are all electrical appliances, and then electrical energy helps us to power them. Okay, so energy also helps us to move our vehicles. It also helps us to move our vehicles. And the food, when there is no fuel in the vehicle, it will not move. And then the fuel is the source of energy for the vehicle. So it helps us to move our vehicle. Okay, another thing is that energy helps us to see. Energy helps us to see. Energy helps us to see. The electrical energy, the light energy, the solar energy, they all help us to see. So these are some of the uses of energy. Now there are numerous forms of energy, but we are going to look at 5 of these forms of energy. We are looking at 5 of the forms of energy. We have kinetic energy, potential energy, solar energy, heat energy, and then chemical energy. So these are the 5 forms of energy that we are going to be focusing on today. Okay, now let's take kinetic energy. When we say kinetic energy, what form of energy are we talking about? So the kinetic energy is the form of energy or the type of energy that a body possesses by virtue of its movement. By virtue of its movement. An example is a child on a swing. Okay, a child on a swing, or what we normally call seesaw. Yeah, so that is an example of kinetic energy. Now the second type or form of energy is potential energy. Potential energy. And this is the form of energy that a body possesses by virtue of its position. By virtue of its position. So as I am standing right here, the form of energy I possess right now is potential energy because I am standing still. Another example is a mango hanging on a tree possesses potential energy because it is not moving. It is standing at one position. Okay. Now the third form of energy that we are looking at today is heat energy. Heat energy. This heat energy, we can say it is the energy in the body due to temperature difference. Energy in the body due to temperature difference. Let's take a hot cup of tea or coffee. The cup of tea or the cup of coffee possesses some amount of heat, and we can know this due to the environment the cup is in. The content in the cup is hot, but the environment isn't. So we'll be able to know that there is heat energy in the cup of coffee or tea. The next form of energy is solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that we get from the sun. The energy that we derive from the sun. We all know that the sun gives us energy. So solar energy, basically, the energy we derive from the sun. So our last form of energy is chemical energy. And basically this is the kind of energy released when a fuel is burnt. An example is a fuel or a petrol or diesel in a car engine. Okay, so when it is burnt, energy is released so that the car can move. So basically that is chemical energy. Okay, so we have been able to identify 5 forms of energy: kinetic, potential, solar, heat, and then chemical energy. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you very much.